Once upon a time long ago, I was just a happy little girl. Then you came along, kissed me so, stole my heart and left me in a whirl. You talked so sweet, swept me off my feet, said that we would always be together. Then one morning I found that you were gone. You packed your bags and left me for another. Got my fingers burned, so I learned I'll never make the same mistake again. Big boy, once I was crazy, thought that you were the greatest of men. Big boy, I was so hazy, that won't happen again. Big boy, right from the start out, you knew that you could never be true. Big boy, you tore my heart out, then you broke it in two. Big boy, one day I bet you can run into me. Big boy, then I won't let you. Oh no, not little me. Big boy, I'm gonna teach you, the bigger they are, well, the harder they fall. Big boy, does my message reach you? You're not so big after all. Not so big after all. The bigger they are, well, the harder they fall. Big boy, does my message reach you? You're not so big after all. Not so